Hello everyone, this is Maria Loves Art. Today we'll be working on a jute and macrame basket. You can hand stitch this if you would like, but this project will go way faster with the sewing machine. I am using a zigzag stitch on setting number 4. Getting started is a little tricky. What I did was I rolled it up just a little bit to look like a cinnamon roll. And now that I mentioned a cinnamon roll, we're probably all wanting one right now. Now you can start carefully, just make sure your fingers are not in the way. You can see as I'm feeding it, I'm also helping it to turn. The thread that I am using is similar to the color of the jute. This jute is very strong and sturdy. So right now I'm putting it on reverse. I'm making sure that the stitch really does take. You can do this when you are adding more of the jute. So as I'm feeding it, I'm also trying to make sure that the jute is laying flat. So I'm working on the base right now and I'm laying it flat. If I wanted it to be curved, I would start tilting it and feeding it. So I have switched to the macrame cord. It is very soft compared to the jute. So I'm reversing it just a tiny bit and then I'm going forward just to make sure that the two get sewn together. Keep an eye on your string, make sure it does not break. If it does, just go ahead and fix it and start again. Once you're done, all you have to do is trim the extra threads. Look around and make sure you have none hanging out. If you like this kind of craft, just let me know in the comments. This was so different than what I usually do, but I really did enjoy it and I can use it for so many things. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to watch the end of the video. I'll talk to you next time.